If you run a service business and you're not getting enough customers, or maybe you're getting leads but they are not of good quality, and you have the capacity to take on more customers, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get pre-paying customers using this simple ad method. So I've been working with several business owners to implement this method. As you can see in this screenshot over here, this is a new business who just closed about 1.1k in sales after spending $300 on ads using this method, right? And another business owner who used to offer free trial, but he was getting tired, feeling the burnout, right? And that's where I worked with him to change that model. Instead of offering a free trial, we started to charge people for the trial. And as you can see from this screenshot over here, he was able to get people to pay for the trial. And from what I know, he was even able to convert one of them into his higher packages. So this method works best for service business. So we're talking about spa and beauty salons, tuition, if you're a personal trainer or a chiropractor, or if you offer any sort of home services, maybe like aircon servicing or home cleaning, it will work. All right. So here's how this method works. Number one, you create an enticing offer. Number two, you run ads to it. Number three, you start conversations with people who are interested in your service. And number four, you collect payment before you start the service. So for this method to work, you need two things. Number one, you need to have a very strong offer that solves a pain point for your prospects. And number two, you need to have a very prompt follow-up process. So let me talk a little bit more about creating a strong offer. Now, a strong offer is one that has a clear outcome, right? And it solves a pain point. And preferably, you are able to offer this at a promotional rate. Let me just give an example of an average offer. Okay, so because I run a music school, so an average offer would perhaps be guitar lessons for beginners, 12 lessons at maybe $300. Okay, now here's an example of a strong offer. Learn how to play guitar in 3 hours without having to have any music background, and you get a free guitar worth $200 if you sign up today. So can you see that we're doing the same thing, right? We're selling guitar lessons, but I'm able to package it with a clearer outcome. So that's what I mean by having a strong offer that really solves a pain point, right? Because you can come and learn guitar even if you have no music background, because that's a pain, right? Some people want to learn music, but they think that, oh yeah, I need to have music background, so it's difficult. So I remove that for them. That's where you solve a pain point. Okay, so that's just an example of a good offer. And number two, other than having a good offer, you need to have a very prompt follow-up process. Okay, that means when your leads start to come in, right, you want to call them fast or you want to text them fast. So let me show you how you can do this on Meta Ads. Number one, for your campaign objective, you choose engagement. Okay, and under the ad set settings, as you can see over here, conversion location, just select messaging apps. Okay, and thirdly, you want to select, as you can see here, there's Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, right? So you can select Instagram and WhatsApp. The reason why nowadays I don't choose Messenger is because there are a lot of spams on Messenger. Okay, so I exclude that. So you can just simply get people to message you via Instagram or WhatsApp, and then you can just fix an appointment with them. What we are trying to achieve with this method, right, is to get serious people who are looking to solve their problems. Right, the fact that you can charge a low ticket price, say maybe $27, and they are able to pay and they are serious about paying, right, that means that they really want to solve that problem. And that's what this whole method is about, right, is to filter the freebie seekers out and get the serious people in to inquire with you. So if you're running a service business, please go ahead and try this method. Okay, basically I'm just running ads to get people to send a message to you. Now let's say after running the ads for 1 to 2 weeks and you are not closing any deals, right? It simply means that your offer is not enticing enough and you need to retweak it to something more enticing for people. Alright, so if you run a service business and you haven't run any sort of messaging campaigns like this, just go ahead and try it, right? And I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching this video.